Welcome to Keep Fit with Kim. I'm Kim, and today I have an aerobics workout for you, 80s style. I'm wearing trainers, but if you're wearing bare feet, please check there's nothing on the floor that's sharp that you're going to hurt your feet on. You need some space above your head and enough space to move about 2 steps either way, 2 feet, 2 steps. Also forward and backwards. If you don't have that space, turn sideways and you can always move that way. Let's get started. Just start marching through the feet. Right, left, right, left. Deep breath in. And out. And again. Just swinging the arms. So fairly gentle to start with, nice light feet. 2 forward, 2 back, take it forward, take it back. Forward and back. Add some arm pumps. I'm going to take it to a side step now, to the right. Take the arms to the side. Eight more, well done, keep going. So throughout the workout, if you're finding it too hard, make the steps smaller, lose the arms. If you're finding it too easy, you can add a little bit of a bounce maybe, and more arms. Let's change direction. Just march it through again. Really get those arms moving, pushing the arms back, feeling it in the back of the arms, working a little bit on those bingo wings maybe, if you have them. We can take it 3, 2, 1, knee lift, 3, 2, 1, knee lift. Keeping the arms relatively low for now, we're still warming up. Let's march it through on the spot. 4, 3, 2, side steps, side arms. Make it a bit bigger now. Other way. And change to the right. Don't worry if you got your right and left round the opposite way to me. Really doesn't matter. Keep moving, that's the important thing. Other way. March, 4, 3, 2, and lift, and lift. So again, if you're finding this too much, if your balance isn't as good, you can keep it as a little tap low. A little bit bigger now. Bring the arms up and down. When you take the legs wide, kick your bum, pulling the arms back. About shoulder height, keep the hands relaxed. So. Take it back to the beginning, march it through, pull the arms back. So I'm taking those elbows back. Side step, side arms. Other way. 4 and lift. Just keep that moving through. Nice light feet. So we're just going to go, let's pick up the beat, half time with the beat, knee lifts. Take it wide, pulling the arms down. So as I do this, I'm bringing the arms out, squeezing the shoulder blades together. Stay facing me, of course. Got the hang of that? Legs wide, knee bends. So feet are pointing outwards, knees are above the ankles or the feet. Try not to allow them to go over the toes. Tucking that pelvis under, tummy in. Let's hold it down. Hold, 2, 3, and lift. Down, 2, 3. Squeeze that bum. Squeeze, 2, 3, and lift. Squeeze, 3, and lift. Squeeze, 2, 3, and lift. Squeeze, 2, 3. To the side. Join me this time if you haven't already. Last time right. And then we're just going to lift onto the toes, alternating. So just bend and lift. So if you're finding that a bit much, you can just take it onto a toe tap. So if you can do a squat in the middle, great. If that's too much, just keep it as a tap. Well done. Kick the bum. If you'd rather do it half time, you can, harder with the balance. And we're going to go back to those moves from the warm-up. March it through. Elbows back. Side, step side arms. 4 more. Other way. Four more. And march. 4, 3, 2, and lift. Try and keep those feet as light as you can. Just lift the heels. So coming right up onto your toe. If you've got trainers on, you're going to come onto the point of your shoe. If not, you're going to come onto the ball of your foot. Swinging those arms nice and relaxed. March it through. And wide. Nice light feet. 2 in, 2 out. On the spot. And wide. 2 in, 2 out. Let's take it to a side step. So you bring the feet together now. And as you do this, I want you to move across to your left to give yourself a bit of space. Double step. Arms. So we're working the shoulders now. Try and keep the shoulders dropped throughout and relaxed. So as you take the arms above, there's a little bit of space between the arms and the ears. Let's take it in front now and up. Let's lose the arms, step behind. So grapevine, step behind together. Now if you struggle with grapevine, don't worry, just do a double side step. If you want to make it a bit harder, you can jump on the end. Keep those feet nice and light. Next time on the end, we take the leg out to the side for 2. Grapevine. 2, touch out, and again. Do that once more for me while we wait for the music to change over. Well done. Knee lifts, opposite elbow to knee. So you're twisting the upper body. So I'm taking my arms quite high. We're in the peak of the workout. But if you want to keep it lower, keep that arm low. Well done. March it through. So I'm pushing those elbows back again. Watch you're not going to bang the wall behind you if you're close. Knee lifts. Elbow to knee, opposite elbow to knee even. 4 more. 3. Take those legs wide. Pulling the arms down behind, opening out. And again, once more. March it through. 2 forward, 2 back, 2 forward, 2 back. If you can dip low, great. Don't worry if you can't. Wide at the front, together at the back. 8 more counts. Well done. 4, we're gonna tap change. So left, right. If you haven't got it that time, just catch up when you can, or stay on the same foot. Not the end of the world if you don't. Ready for that tap change? Tap to the right. Tap change, left. Tap change. Just march it through gently. Side step, stepping together. Just let the arms swing now. We're going to just cool the body down a little bit. Other way. Change sides for 4, 3, 2, and change. And change. And change. Keep going, you can do it. If it's too much, make those feet smaller. Just walk through the heels. Grab water if you need to, but try and keep those feet moving, even if it's gently. Once more each side. Other side. Take the feet out behind. You can stay facing me. So try and keep your belly in, pelvis tucked under. So you're trying to make sure your back stays in a neutral position. Let's hold that right leg back. Both feet are pointing forward. I'll turn so you can see. Legs are nice and wide apart that way. Knees above the ankle. Front knee bent, back leg straight, pushing that heel to the ground. What I often see is the foot at that angle. Just quickly check that your feet are parallel, feeling that stretch in the calf. Let's just lift the calf and lower. Lift the heel even. Hold it down and bring that foot in. Change legs. Alternating back. 4, 3, 2, hold the left leg back this time. If you had the left leg last time, then make sure it's the right this time. We want to stretch both sides evenly. Make sure your feet are wide enough apart that way. Feet are both pointing forward. Knee at the front above the ankle, heels down at the back. If you can, if your heel's off the ground, if you struggle to get it down, then just do your best. Hold it there. Let's lift the ankle. Lift and lower. You can add some arm movement if you want, don't have to. Depends on your balance, woo. Shouldn't have said the word balance, should I? Hold it there. Nice straight line from the head, through the neck, to the heel. The legs nice and wide, feet pointing outwards. We're going to stretch across to your right. Knee stays above the ankle again. So the knee's tracking over the foot. They should be pointing in the same direction. Push that hip back slightly, feeling the stretch through the hip. You can put your hands on the bent leg or on your waist. Try and keep your belly in. Come center, change sides. So again, check your knee. Should be above your ankle and pointing the same direction as your foot. Make sure your ankles are comfortable, shouldn't be any tension there. Pushing this hip back to feel a stretch through the inner thigh. pulling the belly in. Keep that head in alignment. So you're not tipping your head back, you're not dipping it down to your chin. Well done. Well done, that's all for this week. I'll see you again next week. Bye for now.